my channel guys. I am Mandra Siddesh and I do videos based on fitness, comedy and vlog. So guys, if you all are thinking what has happened to the background, so it has been changed. So this will be my background for a few more months. Okay, so guys, as you all have read by the title, this is gonna be a restaurant review. Like after so many days, I'm gonna review a restaurant after so many days. I don't know. I'm so excited, like seriously. Okay, so I'm going to a place called Shiv Sagar, which is in Mantri Mall with my favorite girls. Okay guys, if you all have seen A Day Out with My Favorite Girls, you all know I have been to this place a few months before, but
I'm giving the restaurant review right now because I was so lazy to edit the things. But yes,
from March I am going to do this. Like from March means yes, from now I am going to do everything as I have planned. Yes. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing is it is located in the third floor of Mantri Mall, and the next is the safety. All the precautions are so good, and this is the entrance. Now I'll be showing you all the ambience, how it looks, how it is, and with whom you all can go. Basically, I would recommend you to take your whole gang or your family because it's too nice to sit out there, chit chat and eat your food. So basically what we ordered was two different soup. One was Manchurian and one was vegetable soup. And I would like to recommend that if some person likes some spicy or something like that, please do order Manchurian. And if you like the thing which is very sweet or something, just order vegetable soup. It's damn great and damn good. The leather, the thickness, everything is good for the price. So here comes my favorite. So basically paneer is my first preference and then it's baby corn on any a day. Okay, so I would like to tell that this baby corn was so different guys. Like seriously, it was in a ball shape and I was like, okay, is this a veg or non-veg? And then they told no, it's veg, it's baby corn. And I was like, okay, let me eat. And it was so great to have that. I would like to tell that I would give 4.5 for 5 because it was so tasty. So here I go with vegetable dum biryani. Basically, if you're going over here and ordering this, I would like to tell that please do have at least 2 more people to finish this. I don't know, it was huge, like yeah, it was huge and I was not able to eat fully and we all shared and it was left over and I was thinking, okay, let me eat, and I finished the whole part. It was so spicy, so good, everything. It was just like made for me. And I love biryani. That too, vegetable dum biryani is so good. I would like to tell that it has almost 5 out of 5 because the spice, everything was perfect. So here comes the last but one thing which we ordered. So it is called as veg hakka noodles. Basically, if someone is a person who likes spicy, I would never recommend this to you guys because it was not so spicy at all. But I liked it and I was a bit disappointed because it was not spicy. So I would like to give 3 out of 5 for this. Okay, how can I miss ice cream? And yes guys, this is chocolate slizzler over there. You all can try this. This is damn great, but I would never recommend this because some people will be like, okay, who will give 300 around just for ice cream and a piece of bread? So you all can try it if you are an ice cream lover or a person who likes sweet or chocolate like that. I would recommend this to you all and I will give 4 out of 5 for this because the quantity was less. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this video would have helped you in some other way, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel guys. And also please do share this video with your friends and family. And also guys, like seriously, this video can help many people because many people don't know where is Shiv Sagar and what is the food and what is the ambience over there. So this video could help them a lot. So please do share this video as possible. And also guys, meet you all very soon. Ta-da! Bye bye.